Go. Hi everyone, I'm Professor Esparza, Marcia Esparza, and I'm a professor here at the Criminal Justice Department. I am a sociologist and I do lots of studies on genocide, state crime, and militarization and the enduring repercussions of militarization and militarism across the globe. So I'm very excited to welcome you to this class. It will be an 8-week class. We have lots to do. And let me just introduce you to our research assistant for now. This is Sebastian, and he will introduce to you.
Hey, my name is Sebastian. I am a lawyer and current student of the ICJ program. I took the class last semester with Dr. Sparsa, and I am really excited to working with all of you.
All right. And so the most important thing that you need to know are the things you need to know are that are not required to buy books. Sebastian has scanned all the books and they are now under course materials right here. Okay. Please read the must read, which is all the technology requirement, and also issues of plagiarism, etc., which I really consider and I take very seriously. And then we will have some announcements throughout the 8 weeks. We have the course information, which you will have in the syllabus. You have the faculty information, and you have also where to upload assignments, which is, for example, you will have 3 journals to do, you will have a midterm, and you will have a Blackboard, a discussion board discussion that will be here in Module 1. Please know that on the syllabus it says the best way to reach me and to communicate with us will be through this system called Zoom. Where I will be able to see you as well, and Sebastian will be able to see you. But you need to email me and need to let me know a date and time, and we will convene a date and time that works best for both of us, and we can have individual meetings. Sebastian, is there anything that you want to add?
Yes, if you have any further questions, you can reach me out to my email indicated in the syllabus. So yeah, I hope to see you all.
Okay, so you have here all you need to have. All the models are 8 models, and we will be uploading very soon the syllabus, and we'll take it from there and have a great semester. And we need theory. That's all I need to say. We need theory, and we need to understand all the major criminological issues that we have today and in the past. And for that, we will embark in this journey to look at some of the foundational theories for in criminology. Looking forward to seeing you all. Bye.